In this episode, I will go through what happened when I filmed my new About Page video on my Skool community. I organized a classroom, I launched new meta ads to my community and how those is going, and I'm also testing a MailerLite sales funnel for ManyChat automations. So welcome to the One Person Show episode 16. I'm Samuli Eskanen, and in this show I'm building a one-person online business in public using educational content, Skool and meta ads. And this is for entrepreneurs, coaches and experts who want to build an online business around their expertise without a team. And you can also join my free The One Person Business Skool community, where I show how my one-person business works, how I use Skool, and how different sales funnels have worked for me and what kind of sales funnel I'm currently running. And I also share here weekly business updates, and here you can also connect with other entrepreneurs doing the same thing, and link is below the video for this community. So what has happened since the last episode? So I made a new About page and I have been scripting and filming it back and forth in this past week, and I changed the text, and finally I also made the new video here, and I can show this little bit. Let's mute it down, but let's just quickly run down. So as you can see, I made this kind of VSL video for this About page where I just tell what is inside this community and show a little bit of my background and what I have done. So this is now the best version that I could done. It took a lot of time to think about the script, and I'm glad that I get help from my spouse, but I think now it's pretty good. And also it got already, even though it's just the first day, I got like two sales already from this page. And also in the past 2 days, I also changed the layout for my community. So I will show the, like this is the standard tier and premium tier. All the modules are open. And I just combined 2 modules to make this. I wanted to have only 6 modules, and the reason is because I want to take screenshots from this page here, and then I use those screenshots as an ad. And they work pretty well because those 2 members that came today came exactly this kind of ad. Even though I have here running like multiple ads, it was this ad that you can see here led to these 2 members. So just showing the classroom, but of course this classroom view, I spend a lot of time to show everything what is inside my community, this One Person Show community that is my paid community, and basically they can now visually see what's inside, so it's easy for them to see the ad and clearly show what's inside, and that has been now working at least well. And also this same kind of image already worked before, but now I just streamlined this view a lot. And yes, I then launched a bunch of new ads already. So now I'm testing a lot of these different ads, just screenshots from the community. So screenshots for each of these. Like for example, here's like screenshots for each lesson, because I figured out that there could be like one small thing that one of my lessons only solves, and those can be very intriguing ads for people who have those problems. So that's why I do that. And I'm also now testing MailerLite program to create like a simple sales funnel for my ManyChat automations. So what I'm building is basically when I'm now making many like different lead magnets. So for example, camera guide to select like a good camera, what people can use to make this kind of social media videos. And whenever I'm talking about cameras now on my Instagram profile, I just use ManyChat automation. So for example, in the ending, just say that comment camera, and then the ManyChat will send the DM for person, and then I will just make like very simple automation where it's just a button for my lead magnet page, and that is now hosted in MailerLite because I closed my Kajabi, and that was because, for example, it's expensive. I think it's the best if you want to sell like ones of like online courses and things like that. Only it's the best, but because now I have 2 groups, I think it's and I'm just starting to love more and more Skool communities, so that's why I'm focusing there. But I still needed like some kind of email program, and MailerLite was just so cheap, and I started testing, is it good? And it's pretty promising actually. But I will be showing more of that when I get like full funnel ready. But that I have been doing this past few days. And let's see the current numbers of the one person show community. So currently there are 177 members, so that started growing $1,053 MRR, and the conversion rate has been now a little bit better in the past few days. So in this day, March 1, I changed the about page text only, not the video. And already then it started to be better. And of course, you never should change anything if something is working. But of course, I changed the video like yesterday. But still, let's see how this evolves here. And I just test that video now a week. And if it's some reason is the conversion rate goes down, I will just change back the last video and that's it. But now I'm happy about the about page text, and also I'm happy about the video, but let's see which one like people like, and of course I leave that version. So, and here we see the March current situation. So let me put this a little bit bigger like this. So I have spent 551 euros on ads, and I have got them back $166, and the net per month is currently 411 euros. But last time the net per month was bigger, so we are maybe slowly turning back. So let's see how this goes. And the MRR is at $1,053. And still the average cost per action is 45, so I need to get that down. And even there is like been now a couple of days that it's good. Of course, yesterday was 0 day, but already today the cost per action is lower. So let's see how this goes. But still here in the estimates, the monthly churn is 15%, and I will keep that here, even though the current one is only 5.5. And with that, of course, this has projected profit is huge, but of course this is early on, but I think I'm pretty safe even on the 10% churn, but the 15 at least is safe, and that is still doing little bit profit. Of course, that's not good, so we need to get this average cost per action down. So that's about it, and what's next is now my full focus is just making those Instagram carousels and Instagram videos and combine those with ManyChat automation and then send those lead magnets through MailerLite. And also I made like when they get the lead magnet, there is in the thank you page, there is like a page that is like advertising the one person show community. So let's see how that goes. But yes, I think that's about it for this video. And if you want to join my communities, the links are below this video. And also I will be putting the next episode link right there when that is ready. Hope you like this, and see you on the next episode. Bye bye.